I'm Jeremy Scheck. You might know me from my TikTok account, Scheck Eats. I'm here at the Newell Creative Kitchen, a hub for content creation and inspiration. It comes fully stocked with the latest cookware. It's basically my dream kitchen come true. So my favorite season is upon us, farmer's market season. After a long winter, all I want to eat is fresh produce, but sometimes it's hard to know what to buy and what to cook. I've got a delicious pasta Primavera recipe that you can use with all kinds of farmer's market veggies that are definitely swappable. It's delicious and super easy, so you don't have to be a farmer to figure this out. Okay, I've got all my ingredients here. As you can see, lots of yummy fresh veggies, which you can swap for whatever's at your market. So for asparagus, you can use broccoli. For peas, you can sub in corn. For the parsley, you could use cilantro. And for pepperdew peppers, you could use cherry tomatoes or roasted red peppers. I've also got all of my Calphalon cookware, and I'm feeling totally inspired in this space. This place is stocked with everything you could ask for. Now to make the salad, AKA veggie. We're gonna toast our pine nuts in this Calphalon non-stick bakeware baking sheet, which is so great at heating things evenly. You might say I'm nuts about it. Next, we put our pasta in boiling water. So I prefer to make my own pasta, and you can get the recipe at newellcreativekitchen.com. I always have leftovers and prefer to keep it fresh with the FoodSaver vacuum sealer, which keeps it at peak freshness for months. I'm using this Calphalon stainless steel stock pot to boil the pasta, but it's also great to brown, sear, or saute stuff in. Plus, it's so pretty. If you're using fresh pasta, add in your veggies with it. And then we throw them all in an ice bath and strain. Now for the dressing. This one's pretty simple. Just combine, shake, toss, and serve. You can either serve and eat immediately, my favorite, or save for later in the Rubbermaid Brilliance glass. You can see inside, so no fridge guessing game for leftovers. And that's all the veggies pasta Primavera. Enjoy! It's really good.